Welcome to our channel. If you want to sync your Fitbit device with your iPhone to track fitness data and receive notifications, follow these step-by-step instructions for successful pairing. Step 1. Open the App Store on your iPhone and search for the Fitbit app. Download and install it on your device. Step 2. Launch the Fitbit app after installation completes and tap Sign Up to create a new account or log in if you already have one. Step 3. Once logged in, tap the Profile icon or Today tab, then tap the Device icon to begin device setup. Step 4. Select Set up a device from the menu options. Step 5. Choose your specific Fitbit model from the list of available devices shown on screen. Step 6. Make sure your Fitbit is fully charged and within range of your iPhone during the pairing process. Step 7. Follow the on-screen prompts in the Fitbit app. When your device appears, tap it to connect. You may need to enter a 4-digit code shown on your Fitbit screen. Step 8. Complete your profile setup by entering personal details like height, weight, and activity goals. Allow Bluetooth and notification permissions when requested. Your Fitbit will now automatically sync with your iPhone throughout the day. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.